Following 2 years of intensive development and drawing on nearly 35 years of cutting-edge loudspeaker research and design, Rockport Technologies is proud to introduce the LYNX loudspeaker. True to Rockport's reputation for creating the most potent full-range loudspeakers, yet with a domestically friendly proportion, the LYNX stands unrivaled in its ability to deliver extraordinary musical scale from a surprisingly modest enclosure. Immediately apparent are the classic Rockport design cues, all of which contribute to our deliberate form follows function philosophy. A continued evolution of our world-renowned enclosure designs, the LYNX utilizes an all-new Damn Stiff 3 enclosure, which is formed from a single massive aluminum casting. This fabrication process completely eliminates the limitations imposed by conventional construction methods and allows us to fully optimize the enclosure for ideal drive unit placement, reduction of internal standing waves, and minimum edge diffraction, ensuring a clean, coherent wave launch. The entire aluminum enclosure is formed as a single continuous casting, with all of the interior braces and volumes cast as an integral part of the enclosure. The 185-pound casting's immense structural rigidity is further enhanced by a series of internal stiffening ribs, which also serve to disrupt resonant modes while dramatically increasing the interface area between the aluminum enclosure and the damping layer, maximizing damping performance. After the casting process, the drive unit mounting surfaces and all other critical reference features of the aluminum housing are precision machined in a 5-axis CNC. Over 85 pounds of our proprietary high hysteresis extensional damping material is bonded to all interior surfaces of the casting, virtually eradicating any resonant signature from the enclosure. The LYNX also features a one-piece cast aluminum base and outrigger assembly, which houses the crossover network in its own acoustically isolated compartment. This ensures the individually calibrated, point-to-point wired, and fully epoxy encapsulated crossover network is never subjected to any acoustic vibrational energy from within the enclosure, further enhancing the loudspeaker's transparency. Machined aluminum feet with integral lock knobs allow for easy adjustment of rake and leveling, simplifying loudspeaker setup and optimization. Equally advanced as its enclosure, the LYNX drivers are directly derived from our flagship Lyra loudspeaker, featuring the identical mid-range and tweeter and a modified version of the Lyra's 10-inch woofer. Both the mid-range and woofer feature Rockport's unique spread-toe carbon fiber sandwich composite cones, yielding the highest stiffness-to-weight ratio cones available. Mated with our incomparable waveguide-loaded beryllium tweeter, this driver array delivers authoritative first-octave bass response with abundant headroom and agility, an ultra-transparent mid-range rich in both tonal color and texture, all crowned by a pure, dynamically realistic high-frequency register. As revealed, the LYNX Damn Stiff 3 enclosure is astonishingly complex, yet beautiful in its simplicity. It has no conventional joinery, no fasteners, is comprised of just 2 components, and again confirms Rockport's design superiority regarding enclosure rigidity, damping, inertness, and form. The visual and technical elegance of the LYNX are a reflection of its meticulously executed design, embodying Rockport's dedication to performance through every design decision. Masterful across all musical genres, the LYNX opens the door to the expansive world of recorded musical art and is destined to become a timeless favorite. LYNX from Rockport Technologies.